back, my YouTube friends and family, or welcome if you're new here. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, we have a little bit of something for everyone, I hope. We have data entry, we have jobs from Disney, we have even a few customer service jobs that are paying up to $1,000 or more a week. Of course, we're going to dive all in. I always just ask that if you enjoy any job leads that I share, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up like button. And if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with them. Timestamps and links are in the YouTube description box below this video. First up, we have the company Davita. Now, I'm not sure if these are nationwide, but there are Davita locations near where I live. They do a lot of like dialysis and kidney treatment, kidney failure treatment, kidney disease treatment, things like that. They are in the healthcare field. They have 7,100 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote data entry clerk. Now, please note they are out of Florida, so they are specifically looking for somebody in the Eastern time zone. They want somebody working that same time zone. But this is a full-time Monday through Friday job. They're looking for somebody to provide administrative support to their kidney care nurses and staff. You're going to collect, verify, and enter information into the appropriate computer database. You're going to develop reports and other material for distribution. You will have to attend team meetings as needed. So you'll have to understand and follow just guidelines, employment policies, things like that. HIPAA guidelines, since this is in the healthcare field. They're looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED. They prefer somebody who has prior medical or clerical administrative experience, but it's not required as long as you know how to use those computer systems like Microsoft Office, like Word, Excel, things like that. And you have basic proficiency in medical terminology or the ability to learn it and understand it within 60 days of employment. Now, pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. Pay is going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but is anywhere from $17.50 an hour all the way up to $27 an hour. If you can manage to get that $27 an hour, that is a little over $1,000 a week. But of course, we also have the Walt Disney Company hiring. Now, Disney hires a lot of remote work from home jobs. However, I don't share many from them because a lot of them are more specified to making the animations, engineering, things like that. But this position is dealing with human resources, so more of the administrative type work. Disney has 17,000 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a manager for their employee relations department. This is a fully remote. And so employee relations is basically like human resources. So you're going to conduct complex and sensitive workplace investigations, including determining the appropriate investigation strategies, leading witness interviews, documenting reviews, and determining findings and recommendations for the appropriate resolution. Your investigation topics are going to include like workplace discrimination, harassment, retaliation, theft, conflicts of interest, or other worker or employee policy violations. So you're going to partner with like human resources teams, labor relations teams, things like that, drafting your well-written documents into your investigation into these basically employee complaints. And you're going to input these cases into the employee record database case management system, just responding to all employee complaints within the federal, state, and local guidelines. So you might also have to, when you're doing these investigations, promote knowledge and understanding to the employees of the company policies and do like some employee coaching. But you are basically human resources there for the person to go to all the employee complaints. Now, they do want somebody who has a bachelor degree for this position, or if you have equivalent experience. So if you have a lot of experience in human resources, they may take that over a bachelor degree. Otherwise, they do want a degree and like 5 to 6 years of some kind of employee relations, human resources experience. Someone who has great decision-making skills, great problem-making skills. You have high emotional intelligence, which means you can word things and talk to people with a calm voice, just getting through the problems and working through problems. So you got to have great communication skills. Of course, Disney pays very well, pays anywhere from $135,000 a year all the way up to $165,000 a year. And here lately, I just want to say a lot of human resources roles that I've been sharing pay really well, like $80,000 plus. So it's a great field to get into if you're looking to change careers. Moving right along, though, if human resources or dealing with employee complaints is just not your thing, we have the company Credit Acceptance. They have 741 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a content management administrator. So this is going to be like a lot of document review and document processing. You're going to do document submission process. So you're going to review materials submitted for formal approval, making sure that they fit the policies, guidelines, job aids, things like that. You're going to handle document management. This means that you're going to facilitate all of the company's content that has submitted to corporate legal through the formal approval process. You're going to manage the approved content located in the online or work published document library and the work knowledge portal. You're going to take all the steps to make sure that the team members have access to these documents in these libraries and portals necessary for them to do their job. So you are just all the learning materials, documents, all the things like that. You are the manager of all that. You need to make sure that they're up to date, they're correct, they are in the place that they're supposed to be in, and that everyone has access to use them. So they do prefer a bachelor degree. It's not required, though. You do have to have strong communication skills, great attention to detail, willingness to learn and become a subject matter expert in like new systems, new processes. So you got to be very organized and capable of meeting deadlines, like a multitasker. Their targeted pay for this position is going to be anywhere from $19.22 an hour all the way up to $25.62 an hour. And if you're more on the I have customer service skills and that's all I have, but you still want to make a lot of money from home, I have some high paying customer service jobs. First up, we have Nutrafol. They have 73 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer relationship specialist for their salon. Now, Nutrafol is in the business of like hair wellness. And so they are looking for somebody to either be based in central or mountain time zones, providing that customer service and performing operational related duties with a high degree of professionalism. You're going to respond to the customer inquiries from potential customers through phone and email. Customers might want to place orders or look at order status. They might have pending orders. You will work with the business development manager to address any customer needs and concerns, just triaging and distributing any inbound emails and phone calls to the appropriate point of contact if you're not it. So you're really trying to build relationships with these customers, making sure they're satisfied with their products, services, orders, things like that, so that they stay loyal to the company. They are looking for somebody who has 3 years of experience either on phones in a call center or like some kind of customer service experience. Somebody who has a positive attitude, is willing to learn and adapt and be a multitasker and prioritize things. Now, pay for this position is $55,000 a year. And of course, last but not least, we have the company Destify. Now, this one is cool because it's going to be helping wedding planning, but Destify only has 19 reviews on Glassdoor, so please make sure you always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 19 reviews, though, they do have a high employee satisfaction rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a client success specialist. And so Destify is trying to transform the process of planning and booking destination weddings. And so you are basically going to be customer service point of contact for their valued guests throughout the wedding planning journey, providing support, resolving queries, and addressing any concerns with empathy and efficiency. So you're going to coordinate closely with destination wedding resorts, making sure that the wedding is flawless, that it's executed with all the details, acting as that basically go-between or vital link between the customers and the resort they're having their destination wedding at. So you're basically managing all the communications with the wedding couples, making sure they get all the information. You'll have to make sure your responses to their emails and queries are very friendly and have a strong team support vibe. So you've really got to be able to go above and beyond for that customer. They are looking for somebody who has 2 years of customer service experience, great communication skills. You've really got to have great attention to detail with this one. Be passionate for like weddings and being able to adapt to ever-changing problems and concerns. Pay for this one, though, is anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $55,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. I do read those. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any job leads in this video, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.